Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable the direct play feature on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So direct players can be used for most newer games. It's still required for older games and applications in some case. I show you guys how to enable or disable it. So go to search menu and type tan TURN tan Windows features on or off. Open it, wait for it guys, and here is option guys, legacy compounds. Just want to expand it, legacy compounds, expand it, and here is the option guys, direct play. You just want to turn or off, that's up to your choice, but I'm going to turn it on for now and click OK. Now it's searching for files. It'll install it for you guys. Applying changes. Now after completing this required changes, go ahead and restart your PC guys. You should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.